If you want to get live wallpaper on Redmi A7 Pro, we can use a third-party app that allows us to use an animated video wallpaper. So to do that, we're gonna open the Play Store, then you can use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then we can use the search field at the top. And over here we can search for something like live wallpaper or something similar. There we go. Now in here you should be able to find many different apps that allow you to get the animated wallpaper. And in my case I'm gonna use this one, Zedge. Now in this case I'm gonna install this app and I'm gonna show you how to get an animated wallpaper based on this app. However, feel free to try any other app just to find out which one suits you the best, which one you like the most, I mean. And once we install the app, of course, we want to open it. There we go. So let's open the app. Over here we need to click or tap that we accept and continue terms of service. Here we can tap on accept. We then have to agree to receive notifications. We can close this premium offer in the upper right corner by tapping on this X. Then we can switch to the video wallpapers category. And now we can try to find whichever wallpaper we wish to use. We have many different examples. The library is quite huge. And in my case, I'm just gonna go for the newest selection just to find an example wallpaper that you might want to use. Now, once you find the wallpaper that you wish to set up, you can just tap on this purple button that we have here, and you have two options. You can either watch an ad, and then after a short time you can receive the wallpaper for free by watching this ad. And also you can use credits. We actually get 10 credits once you install the app, so pretty much the first wallpaper is for free, because usually you need to pay 10 credits to get the wallpaper. Now once you watch the ad, you can tap on the set video wallpaper over here. Then you can tap on the set wallpaper, and then you can choose if you want to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna choose home screen and lock screen. And there we go. The wallpaper has been set, so we should be able to go to the home screen in order to see our animated wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.